Today I am going to explain C++ program. The program is write program to check whether a given year is a leap year or not. So here we are going to check whether the given year is leap year or not. So how to find whether a given number is leap year or not? So if the given year is divided by 4, then if you get any reminder, then it is not a leap year. So if you didn't get any reminder, then it is called as a leap year. So let's write a program for this. The first section of this program is header section. So here in header section we are going to write #include iostream.h. So this header file provides basic input output functions to the C++ program, and it uses objects like scene and cout to send to and from data using the standard input and output devices. And the next header file is #include conio.h. So this header file contains some basic functions which is required for our C++ program. So if I want to use clear screen or get.ch, then I have to include this header file in our C++ program. So in the main function we are going to write the logic. So here the return type is void, which means that it is not going to return any value. So in this section I am going to declare the required variables for our program. So the required variable is int year. Why I have declared it as int means year comes in numbers. So for the numbers I am going to use int data type. Clear screen function. Why we are going to use clear screen? To clear the previously generated output on the display screen, we are going to use clear screen function. Next, using cout statement, I am going to print enter the year. So this is the extraction symbol. So using cin statement, I am going to enter the year. Next, if year modulus 4 is equal to 0. Why it is 4? Because leap year comes once in 4 years. So leap year comes once in 4 years, hence this is 4. Here modulus 4 is equal to 0. So if this condition satisfies, then I have to print it as it is a leap year. If this condition is not satisfied, then in the else part I am going to display it as it is not a leap year. It is not a leap year. Get.ch. Get.ch is used until the user presses any key on the keyboard. It will hold the screen. So this is the C++ program to check whether a given year is a leap year or not. So now let's see how to execute this program in Turbo C++. So click on DOS box. here we will get a screen. So click on File, New Option. So here I am going to type the C++ program. So the first section is the documentation section. So this section is only for the purpose of the programmer. It is not going to be displayed on the display screen. So the program name is write a C++ program to check whether a given year is a leap year or not. So first step is we have to include the required header files in our C++ program. So the first header file is --include iostream.h. So this header file includes the basic services for the C++ program. So it uses objects like cin and cout to send data to and from the standard input and output library. Next header file is --include conio.h. So this includes the basic functions for our C++ program like clear screen and getch. Next is main function. The return type is void as it is not returning any value. So here I am declaring a variable called year. The data type is integer. Next is clear screen to clear the previously generated output on the display screen. Next, using cout statement. So this is the insertion operator. I am going to display the message, that is enter the year. So endl represents the end of the line. So using cin statement, this is extraction operator, we are going to enter the year. Next, if year modulus 4 is equal to 0, then we are going to print it as it is a leap year. Else we have to print it as it is not a leap year. Getch. Getch holds the screen until the user presses any key on the keyboard. So now we have to save the file. We are saving the file. Experiment 6.cpp, extension is cpp. Experiment 6.cpp, cpp is the extension. Now compile the file to check the errors. Press any key on the keyboard. Unterminated string or character constant. So press the enter key. So here we have not terminated the statement. Again compile the file. Here we have two more errors. So unterminated string, same mistake. Compile the file. So the file, we don't have any errors here. Run the program. So enter the year. For example, 2004. So 2004 is a leap year. Press enter key. Again run for the same program to check other condition of the program, that is it is not a leap year. So this is how we have to execute a C++ program. So to quit from this DOS box, click on File, press quit button, type exit command. So in the next video we will come with a new program. Thank you.